a little more to the right. Hold it there.
Rex, I'm gonna...
All right, she's settling in place.
Got it loose yet? Yeah, she's free. Go ahead and lift.
Absolutely flawless. This chrome finish is incredible.
Easy now. Watch the clearance on cylinder 3.
Got it. Looks good. Set her down. Make sure the trim aligns perfectly with the screen bezel.
Got it. Hand me the torque wrench.
Check the connection on the left side.
Good morning, everyone. There was a time when this vintage machine was the pride of the fields. But decades of neglect and silence turned it into nothing more than a forgotten pile of rust and mud. The condition of the metal is severe. Deep corrosion has eaten away at its surface, leaving it heavily pitted and decayed. But we are here to bring it back to its former glory. Our restoration journey begins with dismantling. Every single rusted bolt, stubborn screw, and decaying panel is carefully and gently removed to reveal the hidden frame underneath. Now, the real hard work begins. Using manual scraping tools and wire brushes, we aggressively tackle the thickest layers of rust. After that, we bring out the electric rotary tool. Watch as the steel wire wheel spins, instantly stripping away decades of corrosion and exposing the beautiful, raw, shining silver steel beneath. Next, we hand sand every complex curved edge to ensure the metal is completely flush and smooth. A high-pressure air nozzle then blows away the remaining metallic filings and dust in a matter of seconds. Now, it is time for deep chemical cleaning. First, we apply an industrial degreaser to dissolve old grease and baked-on oil. Then, we blanket the entire bare metal body with a thick layer of automotive snow foam shampoo. After scrubbing deep into every crevice with a detailing brush, a high-pressure water rinse washes everything away, leaving behind a spotless, perfectly degreased canvas. To fix the imperfections, we apply a smooth layer of body filler over the dents, sanding it perfectly seamless once it cures. With the surface prepped, we spray an even coat of anti-rust epoxy primer across the entire chassis, protecting the raw steel from future decay. And now, the best part of the process, the final paint. Watch as the professional spray gun glides smoothly, transforming the dull gray primer into a vibrant, ultra-glossy factory red finish with a flawless mirror reflection. A dual-action rotary buffer adds the final wet look shine. After hand-painting the fine chrome details and brand lettering, final reassembly begins. We mount brand new rubber tires onto the pristine rims, slide the front grille into place, and bolt the gleaming red body panels back together. Every single fitment must be absolutely perfect. And there you have it. A machine that was once rotting away as junk is now standing tall in showroom condition. What should we restore next? Let us know in the comments below.
Restored to perfection, ready for anything. Experience the difference.
Hidden away for decades, this once mighty predator sits forgotten, waiting for a second chance.
This 1970 Dodge Charger has seen better days. But beneath the rust lies a legendary muscle car.
All right, let's get this lined up. Careful now, just a little more.
The final hours are the most critical. Meticulous alignment and polishing ensure this Charger is perfect.